Hi guys, so I am the winner of prize number 17 and 16. This is the prize I claimed yesterday, and because nobody claimed this prize for day 16, I also won this. So let's do an unboxing. All you have to do to win, refer 3 persons. So I refer 3 of my friends. They opened their account, they uploaded the ID, and then I followed them on Facebook and Instagram. So every day they post prizes, and all I did, I went on Instagram, I screenshot the post that they made, I sent it to their WhatsApp and said, this is mine. I was the first person to have done everything that I just said, and I won the prize. Pretty easy, right? And if I want to claim another prize, all I have to do after this, refer 1 more person. And guys, guess what? It's free to refer somebody. Just refer 1 more person and I'll be able to claim another prize for the giveaway. This is I think this is a callus remover. Yeah, this is a callus remover, and then this is the charging brick. I'm really looking forward to these prizes, guys. And again, it's easy to win and it's free.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.